On inflation and monetary policy as well, we think that government spending will pose upside risk to some of the inflation. It will add to some inflationary pressures, but also we have a more non-consensus view on oil prices. Stanchart, our commodities analysts, see oil going back up above $90, and I think that would have significant implications here in Botswana, just given the fact that if you take the CPI basket, transport has a disproportionate weight in that basket. If we do return to an era of 90% oil prices, then that would mean a further upside to inflation. So the inflation outlook has quite a number of risks, not least given the oil dynamics I've talked about, but also the fiscal impulse from government spending. On the other hand, we also know that the growth outlook is going to be improving because of government spending. So in a balance of risk from a central bank perspective, I think that Bank of Botswana will remain cautious in terms of its monetary policy outlook. Bear in mind, monetary policy is already relatively accommodative. If fiscal policy is going to be doing the heavy lifting, then it's likely that monetary policy might be a bit more cautious for quite some time. So that really broadly is our view in terms of how we see the economy in Botswana in 2024. Growth largely being driven by government spending as the diamond sector softens, but also the fact that inflation and monetary policy would be very much more looking at the dynamics from the fiscal side. We see monetary policy on hold. Finally, I think the key message really around, the key theme that we're looking at is the reform momentum.